Hey, I'm Peter from Vizzu, and in this video I'm going to show you our new tool, the Vizzu Builder App, that lets you create animated charts and data stories without having to write a single line of code. So as you can imagine, you can upload your data, you can turn it into animated charts and data story, you can present that story right from the app or download it and send it to someone. And this is all, as with everything else we do, is completely for free, with no strings attached. Not only that, but it's also a great resource. This Vizzu Builder app is a great resource if you want to learn how to use the Python interface of Vizzu, the so-called IPyVizzu and IPyVizzu story, because it automatically generates the Python code for all the charts and the data story that you create with it. It is a Streamlit app, and I just wanted to express our gratitude towards Zachary Blackwood from the Streamlit team for helping us putting this all together, and also David from the Vizzu team worked a lot on this, so thanks a lot for that too. So without further ado, let's see how the app looks like. So this is the Vizzu Builder app, and you can access it if you go to vizzu-builder.streamlit.app. And in the first tab, it requires you to upload some data, but you can also use the sample data that we uploaded. It's some mock sales data of a company. And we're going to skip through step 2. Let's get to step 3, where we have the chance to configure the charts. So here we're going to just select some categories and values to be shown on the charts. And we click on the Create Charts button. And so the Builder app will generate a ton of different charts with these settings. It can take some time, and sometimes even these yellow error boxes appear. That's totally fine. You just have to wait a bit. It's quite a resource-intense app, so it can take some time until the charts load. But basically, what you'll end up with is a grid of different charts that show you how your data looks with the settings that you selected. And then beneath all these charts, you have 2 buttons. One of them will show you the code used to create those charts, the Python code, and then the other one adds that to data story. So you can quickly just click on a couple of these to turn these charts. So to add these charts to a story. And basically beneath all the charts that are generated will be a data story that, and you can turn the whole thing full screen and go through the story. So it will include all these slides, these charts that you added to the story. And obviously you can download the story with this button, and then an HTML file gets downloaded to your computer that you can just open in any browser, and if you do so, then you have the story right there, and you can send it as a attachment to an email, or you can use it by clicking on the full screen button to present your story to anyone fairly easily. And you can also check out the code for the whole story. So thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to build a proper story from this sample data set. And then in the third one, about how to upload your data and use it to build some exciting animated charts and data stories. Hope to see your great animated creations online. Please leave any of your comments or questions below the video. Thanks a lot.